Welcome guys to another episode on the Extra Mile. My name is Alex and welcome to the 10,000 subscribers special, which will happen here live at the Nordschleife. Actually not live, but it's the real life Nordschleife. That's what I meant. So I checked today and the timing could not have been better. We actually have 10,002 subscribers today, which is awesome. I want to thank all of you guys so much. But let's not waste any more time on talking. Let's get to driving. But before we go to the first lap directly, I want to take you guys for a little walk around the well, the pit lane, so to speak, the parking lot here, which you all know from Assetto Corsa. So yeah, let's take a look. Take a look at that, guys. This is where the map ends in Assetto Corsa. This little roundabout here. Oh wow. So this is where you enter. Lovely stuff. Oh, look at that. The race taxi. Lovely. So, this is where you usually spawn in Assetto Corsa. Familiar sight. Let's take a look at the cars here. Lovely M3. Evo, look at that. Lovely Porsche 992, actually, I think. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Oh yes, so this is what it looks like. Pretty damn busy today as well. Awesome. Rent for ring. These are actually cars that you can rent. Another Evo. I think that's an R32 Skyline. Lovely. And here we are back at the car. So this is it, guys. Let's hope that the laps will go as expected. Let's go to the track. Alright, here we go. Very first lap. Let's do this, guys. I have to make sure that I'm recording. I think I am. Yes, I am. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. Woo! Alright, into the compression. This is the first time that I'm driving the Nordschleife for real in about 12 years. So let's make sure that nothing bad happens. I'm driving with the Sport ESP. Okay, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Little bit of traffic ahead. Oh, this is good fun already. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Let's see that we can get past the little Ford. Letting me pass. Alright. So far so good. Why is the Porsche driving so slowly? Okay, I don't know, but we will overtake him. Woohoo! Okay, taking it easy here. first time. Okay, BMW is seeing us. Perfect. Okay. The whole track here is new. I think they've redone that. There's a Porsche. Okay, he doesn't want to overtake. Porsche can go ahead. That's the ring taxi. One of them. Whoa! A little bit of a jump here as we drive down to Foxhole. Whoa! Yeah, through the compression. Okay. Again, a little bit of traffic here. Okay, come on, Mr. Focus RS or whatever you are. Okay, taking it easy. Again, we don't want to crash. That's the highest priority here. Oh, lovely front end grip. So good. Okay, sorry for not talking too much, guys, but I really have to focus. I don't want to make any mistakes here. Okay, letting the taxi go first, and there's another Porsche. One of my favorite parts now coming up, Exmühle. We're driving uphill here, really nice. All right, torque, 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 power, 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 come on. Okay, braking a little bit for the left-hander, which I probably would not do in real life, but in the sim, but in real life, I just don't want to die. This is a beautiful day, guys. So yeah, 10,002 subscribers. I want to thank all of you guys a lot. Short shifting here a little bit. Want to cool the engine. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Taking any risks, at least not here in the first lap. Alright, coming up to the carousel. Stay close to the curb floor right now. That Mini is too slow for us. We have to overtake him very soon. Down into the carousel, which always feels very weird to drive through. Oil is getting pretty hot, but I suppose we can't do anything about that. One of my favorite parts here, the highest part of the track in terms of elevation. all-time favorite part with the little jump here. Oh yes, this is good. Brakes are still holding up great. Oh, the Mini understeered a little bit there. Come on. Traction control took away a bit of power there. Wow, you could actually see that Mini taking off. That was awesome. I've never seen that before. That was really, really sweet. All right, very tricky part here. Let's not crash. Whoa, through the compression. Actually, that Mini is hauling ass. I gotta give it to him. That was pretty good. Okay, we're actually already getting to the end of the first lap. The track is very dry, very smooth. Oh, yes. And there we go, through the last corner. That was our first lap of the Nordschleife in 2019 and the first lap in about 12 years or so. I will see you guys in the second lap.